Okay guys, I'm super excited because now we're gonna talk about AI in Adobe InDesign. Yes, AI is here, so let's make the most of it, shall we? And in Adobe InDesign, currently we have two AIs. We have AI text to image and AI generative fill. So we're gonna have a look at both, but we'll start with text to image. So we can start by adding a frame and perhaps filling it. Click and drag so it fills the whole page. Beautiful. And then we're gonna click on text to image and we're gonna see the text to image panel. Now feel free to choose one of these sample images, or you can type cat with a hat or anything you would like. And click on generate. Cute. Or perhaps this one. Oh, I love that one. Or this one. These are adorable. Love it. Now, if you didn't like them, you can click on generate here again. And it will generate more variations of this image. Click on generate. And let's have a look. Super cute. I love this. I think I'm gonna go with this one though. Now, if we click on advanced, we'll have another panel appear. And over here, we can change things like the aspect ratio, like if you wanted instead a landscape. We can also make it art instead of an image. And we can go to style effects and pick the effect we like. Like futuristic is very popular at the moment in AI. So let's see, we can go ahead, select futuristic and click on generate. And whoa, that's cool. That's even cooler. So there we go for text to image AI in Adobe InDesign. Okay, so now we're gonna get rid of this. Press escape and go to the selection tool or V. Select this image and press the delete button. And go ahead and close this panel. Okay, so now we're gonna try AI generative fill. And yet again, we're gonna place an image, but this time without a frame. Let's start straight away with an image. Click on that or press Command or Control D. And go ahead and select this lovely, I think it's also a French bully, and click on Open. And you can go ahead and click and drag and just draw it like this, I guess. Great. Now make sure you're on the selection tool. We're going to click and drag and expand our frame. And we're gonna click on Generative Expand. And don't type anything, just click on Generate and Generate. And just like that, it automatically created and filled this image according to the surroundings. How cool. So even if you have a portrait image, you can always make it landscape this way as well and create new pixels, new elements of the image with AI and have a look at the variations to choose which one is your favorite. So that is all for now for generative fill. Let's move on to the next section. Okay, so if you like this tutorial and you would like to learn some more Adobe tips and tricks, I teach a complete Adobe InDesign beginner's course in a very structured way. And you get to play along with some exercises and you get free shortcuts and much more. So check it out, the link is below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for some more Adobe tips and tricks. See you soon.